Hello everyone, how are you? So today I am going to show how to fix a specific this footer area, only this space. So when you inspect element, then you can select this footer area, like this is a from, like if you want to remove display none, this footer area is gone. So now if you want to copy this here, like my from here, this one, then I will paste display now, this code, like this code. Okay, then it's not gone because this footer working every page, and this is default footer. Right now I am disable this footer, important, I am important. So this footer is gone. The problem is now if you check another page, like this page, now footer is gone. Now if you can check another page like home page, also footer is gone. I don't want that. I want only this page footer footer gone, but other page footer working. So in this case we need to fix page ID. We need to find your page ID, like if you want to find your page ID, then you can go to here, and here is page. Then you cannot see any page ID. In this case my page is this custom post type, then there is my page, there is don't showing any page. If you edit here, then you can check this is post ID. If you can check, or every page same function, if you try to edit here, then you can check page ID. Actually this is my post ID, so we need to find out this post ID, like this is my post ID. So let me customize this code. First of all, we need to body dot my post ID. Post ID is this one. Yeah, post ID is this one. Okay, so body dot post ID dot from. Yeah, see my from is gone now. So let me publish it, and if you click this space, my default footer is gone, but when you check home page, default footer is working. So that's it. So in this video I will show just how to fix specific page your default footer or default header. So that's it. So if you have any question in this video, feel free to contact me, or if you need to hire any WordPress issue or WordPress website design, feel free to contact me, link in the description. Bye bye.